Did you know that over 50% of Ram 1500 owners have faced AC troubles at some point? Let's dive into why that might be. First up, check your fuses. A blown fuse can stop your AC from working entirely. Locate the fuse box, check the AC fuse, and replace it if needed. Next, let's talk refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can cause your AC to blow warm air. You'll need an AC recharge kit to add refrigerant, but if you're unsure, it's best to visit a pro. The third common issue is the compressor. The compressor is the heart of your AC system. If it's not engaging, it could be due to a faulty clutch or electrical problem. Listen for unusual noises or check if the pulley is spinning. Lastly, don't forget the cabin air filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, making your AC seem weaker. Replacing it is a quick and easy fix that can make a big difference. So there you have it. 4 common reasons why your Ram 1500's AC might not be working, and some simple steps to troubleshoot them. Remember, when in doubt, consult with a professional mechanic to ensure your safety. Stay cool out there and happy driving.